I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Rehydrate with 300-500 ml water, and a small electrolyte boost so blood volume and focus recover. Once done, take a 10-20 minute nap or step into bright light to reduce sleep inertia and sharpen reaction time. Then have a 150-300 kcal snack with carbs and protein 30-60 minutes before exercise to fuel effort without GI upset. You're starting the process now because these quick steps restore energy, stabilize blood sugar, and lower injury risk. You move into a progressive warm-up. 5-10 minutes of dynamic mobility to raise temperature and activate motor patterns, because neural readiness reduces injury risk. Once warm, prioritize compound exercises, squats, rows, pushes, for 2-4 sets with controlled tempo and 60-120-second rests to manage fatigue after a night shift. Make intensity a perceived exertion of 6-8 out of 10 so you stress the system without overreaching. As you progress, check form and breathing to maintain performance and safety. You finish with a 10-minute cool-down of light cardio and targeted static stretches to lower heart rate and flush metabolites. Follow with foam rolling where tight. Make sure to refuel within 45 minutes with 20-30 g protein plus carbs and drink 500-750 ml to restore glycogen and support muscle repair. Once recovered, plan sleep or naps to normalize circadian rhythm. If you feel dizzy or faint, stop immediately. Sit or lie down, sip electrolytes, and consider resting 24-48 hours before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.